Now it says go back and balance those 3 word problems on the second page. I don't know if you read everything, but we're going to go back and balance our word problems. It's even more balancing practice. So looky here. We got a situation where our hydrogens are good, but our oxygens aren't. So I'm going to make it a 2 in front for the oxygen. So the oxygen's good. Notice that affected my hydrogen, so now my hydrogen's off, so I need to put a 2 over here. Oh man, another one of these? Yes, we got another one of these. You have to deal with it. So I'm going to fix my carbon first, wait on the oxygen. I'm going to fix my hydrogen next. Well, I need 5 because I had 10, right? So I need a 5 because the 5 times 2. Now I'm going to check my oxygens, and I might have a problem because notice this still keeps this side odd, right? Do you see the 5 times the O? So I've got 8 plus 5, which is 13. There's no way I'm going to be able to make that become odd. What do? Don't keep going back and forth. Erase the things and put a 2 in front. So you might say, why don't we just start with a 2 in front? Well, you can. You just have to remember that you may have to divide everything by 2 if in some of these. If everything is all even and like if all these coefficients that you put in here end up being even, you need to divide by 2 because you didn't need the 2 in the front. I'm probably saying that kind of weird. Let me finish this and I'll try saying it again. So I have a total of 8 carbons right here. Don't forget that that's 2 times the hydrogen, which is 20. So I need 10 right here. So now I have a total of 16 oxygens. Let me move my screen just a little. Plus 10 oxygens, which gives me 26. Tell you what, my screen is crazy tonight. Yes, that gives me my 26 oxygens. And then over on the left-hand side, I've got just the pair of 2, right? So I need to do a number that's divided by 26. 26 divided by 2 is 13. So this is going to be, I probably need to erase my little sign there. 13. Notice, this is what I was trying to say. You can't divide 13 by 2. Well, I mean, you can, but you're not going to get a whole number. And so I know that it was the right thing to put the 2 in front. If you had something where you had like 2 and then 4 and then 2 and then 4 where everything was even like that, that's when you would say, oh, I shouldn't have put the 2 in front, and you would have divided everything by 2. All right, then this last guy. So notice there's a 2 here and a 3 here. So we have to do that kind of backwards feeling thing where I put a 2 and a 3. So that gives me a total of 6 bromines and 6 bromines. But don't forget that 2 affected my aluminum, so I'm putting the 2 over here. And that should get us through all of this balancing practice you absolutely want to practice. This is not going away. It's in chapter 8, it's in chapter 9, and it's kind of the crux of everything chemistry, is being able to do that. And I wanted to just point out something else here, is what this is saying is that you need 2 atoms of aluminum for every 3 molecules of that bromine paired, and it will give you a total of 2 of these aluminum bromide groups. That's what the point of all of this is. It tells you how much you make, it makes sure your ratios are right, and you don't waste materials.